DeepSeek is making waves in the artificial intelligence world. This Chinese chatbot, developed by a company founded by Liang Wenfeng, promises to rival established players like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Much like its counterparts, DeepSeek boasts an impressive range of capabilities. It can draft emails, summarize lengthy texts, answer questions on diverse topics, write computer code, and even assist with studying. The chatbot achieves this through a reasoning model, which allows it to generate responses incrementally. This process mimics the way humans think, formulating thoughts step by step. DeepSeek's entry into the market has been met with both excitement and apprehension. Its impressive functionality positions it as a potentially game-changing tool. However, its real-time censorship capabilities have sparked debate about the future of AI and freedom of information. As DeepSeek continues to evolve, its impact on the tech industry and the geopolitical landscape remains to be seen. DeepSeek is not just another chatbot, it's a statement. The company claims its performance rivals that of OpenAI's o1 model, particularly in areas like mathematics and coding. This achievement is remarkable considering the difference in development costs. DeepSeek was reportedly trained for a mere $6 million, a stark contrast to the estimated $100+ million spent on GPT-4. This difference highlights a crucial aspect of DeepSeek's strategy efficiency. The company achieved this cost-effectiveness by using a combination of high-performance and less sophisticated chips. This approach challenges the prevailing notion that massive budgets are essential for advancements in AI. DeepSeek's success story suggests that innovation can occur even with limited resources, potentially leveling the playing field in the AI industry. This development has sent ripples through the tech world, particularly impacting US tech stocks. One of DeepSeek's most discussed features is its real-time censorship. The chatbot is programmed to avoid politically sensitive topics, particularly those deemed taboo by the Chinese government. For instance, when questioned about the Tiananmen Square massacre, DeepSeek politely states its inability to answer. It explains that its purpose is to provide helpful and harmless responses, effectively steering clear of any controversial discussion. This censorship is achieved through an additional safeguarding layer built on top of the base model. This layer acts as a filter, screening both user inputs and the chatbot's own responses. The result is a highly curated conversational experience, one that avoids any potentially sensitive information. While this approach aligns with China's internet regulations, it raises concerns about freedom of information and the potential for bias in AI systems. Despite its censorship mechanisms, DeepSeek remains an attractive option for many due to its open-source nature. Licensed under MIT, the chatbot's code is accessible to developers worldwide. This openness allows for customization, enabling users to tailor DeepSeek for specific personal or professional projects. This approach contrasts with the more guarded approach of companies like OpenAI, which keeps its code proprietary. DeepSeek is readily available for download on various platforms. Users can install it on their computers, whether they run Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. A dedicated mobile app is also available on Apple's App Store, making it accessible on the go. While web access is offered, new user registrations are temporarily suspended. This pause is attributed to security issues stemming from large-scale malicious attacks targeting the platform. Despite these challenges, DeepSeek's accessibility and open-source nature have significant implications for the future of AI development.